If you want to create professional step-by-step guides without spending hours screenshotting, annotating, and writing out instructions manually, this tool does all of that for you automatically. You just do the task and the documentation builds itself in the background. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how Tango AI works, demonstrating with a real example and explaining some game-changing features so you know how to make the most out of it. And the best part is that you can get started for absolutely free by using the link below this video. Now let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so if you are completely unfamiliar, Tango is a browser extension that watches you perform a process, and as you click through the steps, it automatically captures screenshots, highlights exactly where you clicked, and writes descriptions for each step. By the time you're done, you have a fully formatted, professional looking guide that's ready to be shared, embedded, or exported. It's not a screen recording software. It doesn't capture separate screenshots and then paste them into a Google Doc. You literally just do the task and Tango documents it for you in the background. So let's say that I'm going to create a guide for something that most teams deal with regularly, and that's setting up a new project in a project management tool. First, you want to make sure to download the extension. So if you are on Google Chrome, you want to go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Tango. Or you can find a link to it in the description below this video, as I mentioned earlier. Once done, you will see the Tango icon in your browser toolbar. After that, I open the tool that I want to document. Let's say I'm setting up a new project workspace. You click the Tango icon and hit Start Capture. And then a small recording indicator will appear on the screen so you know that it's running. From this point, you just do the process as you normally would. You can click on a new project and Tango will capture that with a screenshot and highlight the exact button that you pressed. You type the project name, Tango will capture that, add team members, all of the things that you would normally do for the process. Every single step with a screenshot showing exactly where to click and what to type. Once you're done with the process, you click Stop Capture. Once you've done that, Tango will instantly generate a complete guide. Every step will have a numbered instruction, a screenshot with the relevant area highlighted, and a description of what to do. Formatted, documented, readable, and it took me the same amount of time as just doing the task normally. Now, it doesn't just give you that with no flexibility, as you can actually customize all of it. You can edit any description to add more context if you would like to. You can delete steps that aren't necessary, add titles, section headers, or notes. A very useful feature in my opinion to keep in mind is that you can actually blur sensitive information in the screenshots if there is anything confidential. The editor is very simple. You don't need to learn a new tool to actually use it. Now from here, once you've made your edits and the guide looks good, you can have multiple options for sharing it. As you can copy a shareable link and drop it in a Slack or Teams channel, or you can export it as a PDF for an employee handbook. For example, I could embed it into a knowledge base like Notion, Confluence, or Zendesk, or I can turn it into an interactive walkthrough, which I'll show you how to do that in a second because that feature is very impressive. So once you've captured a process, you can pin it directly inside the software tool where your team needs it. Tango calls these nuggets. They are basically help bubbles that live right inside the application that your team is using. So instead of someone having to go find the guide in a knowledge base, search through a Slack thread, or interrupt a coworker, they see the guidance exactly where and when they need it. For example, if your team constantly makes mistakes on a specific field inside Salesforce, you pin the guide to that field. And next time someone goes to fill it out, they see the instruction without leaving the page. There is also a guide me mode, and this takes your static guide and turns it into an interactive step-by-step walkthrough. The tool highlights each button, each field, each drop-down in sequence, and walks the user through the process live on their screen. This makes it feel like you have someone next to you pointing at the screen and saying click here, now type this, and click that, except it's automated and scales to your entire team. This is one of the main features that separates Tango from the competition. Alright, so who would actually get the most value out of this, because Tango is not just for IT departments. If you manage a team and you're constantly answering the same questions about how to do something in a specific tool, Tango fixes that. As you just saw, you record the process once, share the guide, and point people to it every time the question comes up. No more hopping on calls to do the same thing for the 100th time. If you are onboarding new employees, Tango dramatically speeds up the ramp time. Instead of scheduling hours of screen shares in their first week, you hand them a collection of pre-made guides for every tool and process that they need to learn. They go through them at their own pace, they can revisit them at any time they forget a step, and you get your time back. Finally, if you are a freelancer or an agency building things for clients, Tango is incredible for handoffs. You build a website or set up a system for a client, and instead of doing a screen share to explain how everything works, you create Tango guides for every process they will need to manage. It's professional, it saves you time, and the client can refer back to it forever. Big companies like Salesforce, Gusto, and Lockheed Martin use Tango. Over 3 million guides have been created on the platform. This isn't a new tool or untested, it's proven at scale. Now, if you are wondering how much it actually costs, as mentioned earlier, Tango has a free tier that lets you create and share up to 5 guides. That is enough to try it out and see if it fits your workflow. No credit cards needed, you just install the extension and start capturing. We also have the Pro plan, which is about $22 per user per month when billed annually. And this one gives you unlimited guides, desktop capture beyond just the browser, advanced analytics, and more customization options. For larger organizations, there is an enterprise plan with SSO, advanced security, admin controls, and dedicated onboarding support. So for most individuals or small teams, the free plan is a great place to start, and you can always upgrade to a paid plan when you use up your first 5 guides. So that will be all on today's video. If you or your team spend any amount of time explaining how to do things in software, answering the same process questions over and over, or creating training materials manually, Tango is definitely worth trying. It takes about a minute to install, and your first guide takes about 2 minutes to create. And from that point forward, every process you capture is one less question someone has to ask and one less call that you have to hop on. Link to getting started for free is below the video. Once again, no credit card required. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tools and tutorials similar to this one.